Lex company is waiting online. Gonon, are you there? Lisa. Hello.
Yeah,
Lisa.
hi.
Hi.
Can you hear me?
Have you opened the video? Because I can.
Let me have a check.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, now it's okay. Gonon.
Okay.
Yeah. Hello, I'm Helen.
Hi, Helen. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Lisa. Yeah.
How are you?
How are you? Thank you.
Okay.
I see the BSCI logo there.
Yes, I got BSCI, ISO. Yes, Golan, a big logo here.
Yeah, big logo. Yeah, BSCI and the ISO.
Yes, different kinds of certificates.
Yeah. Okay.
First, I would like to give a brief introduction of our company.
Yeah,
okay.
Thank you. Yeah,
okay. Okay, just a minute, please. Okay. It's okay for you to see it, right?
Yeah, I see it now.
Our company was established in 2010 in Xiaolan town of Zhongshan City.
Yeah.
We have our own workshops for die casting, CNC making, SMT, drivers, and assembly. We keep developing new designs and new products. By now, we have got 50 product patents and 30 certificates for different products. Also, as you can,
quite many patents. Yeah.
Yes, because we make our own designs.
Yeah, great.
Yeah. As you can see on the background, we also have got ISO and also BSCI certificate. We have been making big products for many big brands in different countries and regions. Our company's mission is to create value for our customers and bring benefits to our workers.
Yeah, great.
Okay, next I would like to show some pictures of our factory. Here is our office, showroom. This is our production.
Workshop.
Workshop, assembly workshop. Driver workshop. This is an SMT.
workshop. Yeah.
Yes.
You
raw
do
material
yourself.
Yeah. Yes. Raw material warehouse. Die casting workshop.
Oh, great. Die casting workshop.
Yeah, for many, for LED lighting, there are so many die casting. And different kind of testing machines. This one is for IP testing, for outdoor products.
IP testing?
Yes, IP testing, yeah.
Great.
Outdoor.
Any equipments?
Yeah, SMT machines. And we do we cut RGP and also diffuser by ourselves. This is
very great
cutting machine.
So your quality control will be very good.
Yes. That's how we can control the quality, the cost, and delivery time.
Yeah, great.
Laser machine. And a driver agent machine. Yeah. This is our floodlight series, a different kind of designs. Street light, panel light, and downlight.
And your product also wide range.
Yes, wide range.
Indoor and outdoor.
Indoor, yes, correct. Wall washer. This is one project we made for a customer with this wall washer. It's a very famous building.
Yeah, it's in European country,
Oh, in India.
India. Oh, great.
This is product
Many-
patents we got.
Mhm.
Certificates for different products.
CE.
Yeah, CE and ISO.
Mhm.
We're also a partner of Lifood driver. Lifood is a
This
very
is job
famous,
out. Yeah.
yes,
Very
famous driver. Yes.
You're the
Okay.
sponsors of the Leaf Food.
Yes.
Great.
Okay. That's all.
Oh.
That's all. It's a very brief.
And do you
introduction.
have any new product you want to introduce
sure.
to us?
Sure. Yeah. Today I would like to introduce this floodlight, because floodlight is one of our main products. We keep developing new designs of floodlight and street light. This one is our best selling.
Best-selling.
Best selling, yes. As you can see, it's a very slim design.
Yeah,
It's a very
slim.
slim. Yeah.
Mhm.
This way it can save some shipping space, because for some other models they are very heavy. It's a very heavy design, but this one it's very slim from the side, as you can see. It has a range from 10 watt to 300 watt. It's
10 watt to
wide,
300 watt. Yeah.
yes, it's a wide range.
And normally this product is for the trader or for the supermarket, something like this, or for
Yes, distributor, yes, big
Distributor.
distributor, yes.
that this one is for
Wholesalers.
wholesaler. Yeah, okay.
Yes, yeah.
Mhm.
And the back, as you can see, it's very slim. This
Mhm.
this design is very good for heat radiation. On the front, it's tempered glass. It's tempered glass.
Temporary glass. Yeah,
Not easy to break to get broken.
yeah. Strong
Yeah.
enough.
Oh yeah, strong enough. And this another design is with frosted glass. You can see a difference. It's frosted glass.
The first is anti-gray.
Yes. This glass will make the light a little bit softer,
Mhm.
and in some way it can protect the eyes.
Yeah, great.
Yeah, but there's not too much effect on the lumen output. Lumen output is almost the same.
Lumen output is not too much different.
Yes, not so much different. Yeah. Okay. On the front, as you can see, there are two clips.
Mhm.
Two clips to protect the glass.
Mhm.
To protect this glass, just a double security. The glass is actually glued onto the housing. There's no big problem. Just this one is just in case.
In case for great.
Yeah. Inside it's a PC reflector.
PC
This white,
reflector.
white
PC.
PC reflector.
Mhm.
That we have another type of reflectors, real reflector, as you can see.
This is the aluminum reflector. Also
No,
PC.
it's a PC material.
Oh, also okay.
Yeah, it's grill. This one is grill reflector. This grill reflector, as you can see, there's reflectors around each LED. So this way, it will make the lighting more focused.
Oh, yeah.
More focused.
So this reflector, you must decide by yourself.
Yeah,
make it mood.
some customers like this design, some customers like this. So it depends on the customer's choice.
Yeah. Great.
Yeah.
And also this is also expensive for the PC reflector.
No, it's not expensive. To be
Not
honest.
expensive. Okay.
It's not. And another option is a lens. With the lens, you can see it?
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, it's lens. So for inside part, we have three options for the
Different solution.
Yes, different solutions. Inside LED, we use Osram. LED
Osram
Osram LED chip. It's the lumen can reach around 130 lumen per watt. Yes. Another detail is for the here a breathable gland.
The breathable gland, yeah.
Breathable gland. This is for protection against the condensation inside luminaire to ensure the lifetime of the product.
Great.
Yeah. Briquette. This briquette is designed to be rotated almost 320 degrees. You can see
320 degrees.
Yes, so it's easy for it's easy for installation. Wide range of available beam angles to fit for different applications.
Different, yeah.
Yeah.
V5. The
Yes.
series is V5.
Driver is inside here.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just show our driver workshop. So we also make drivers by ourselves.
Yeah, I know. Just our
yeah. All the components on the driver we use are branded to make sure of the quality. Yeah. As you know, for lighting products, the driver is a most important part of the lighting products.
The driver is very important.
Yes.
So if how many years about this product warranty?
It can be 3 to 5 years warranty.
How to say, if the customer tell you and the driver is broken, something like that, you will replace to them because the driver is produced by yourself.
Yes. If the floodlight got broken, we can replace a whole piece for the customer. The whole piece.
Whole piece.
Yes.
The customer cannot repair by themselves.
No, because the glass is glued onto the housing. You have to break the glass to replace the drivers.
Yeah.
So yeah. Okay.
For light.
Other options we have also for different colors, the housing.
Different color.
Yeah.
And the painting also produced by yourself?
Yes.
Great.
Yeah. This one. Because we have die casting workshop.
Die casting
this one is, the housing is gray color, white color, and black color. So as you can see, also the glass can be different colors and
great.
Many options. Many options.
Different customer, different options.
Yes, different because some customers like this kind of design or this color, or some customers like.
Normally, the white color is for which country? The white
Middle
color.
East. Middle East. Yeah, Middle Eastern market.
Okay. White color, because it's fit for their buildings.
Yeah, building, garden.
Garden, yeah.
Yeah.
The white color, okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Very detailed introduction.
Yeah. Thank you. Also, one more. For this one, we can also make with a DOB version, linear IC. Linear IC for European market.
European market, DOB iPhone.
Yeah.
DOB version.
Yeah, linear IC. Okay. Last one, but not least.
The small one.
One more. Motion sensor.
Sensors.
Yeah, with sensor. This sensor can be detected around 3 to 5 meters.
5 meters.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah. So as you can see, so many choices.
Yeah. So you must have many customers, and
that's why
customer we have different options. What you need, we can do it.
Yes. That's why this is our best selling floodlight.
Yeah.
We have made this for many big brands in many countries.
Yeah, of course.
Like, the RGB.
RGB.
Yes.
or RGB version. Yeah, great. Different option.
Yeah, different options. Yeah.
Yeah, normally, your target customer is all around the world.
Yes. Yes. That's why we make so many choices for our customers to choose. So, yeah.
How about the USA market?
USA, by now, not this floodlight, but other products.
Other products, okay.
Products,
Because I see your BSCI. The BSCI is for the supermarket, something like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Europe.
Great. Yeah. Europe. Yeah. The main market is Europe and Middle East.
Middle East, Europe, Asian, Southeast Asian.
Southeast
Asia.
Asian.
Yeah.
Great. Why? You must have wide range customers. Yeah, because you can see your products will be very good quality control. Everything do by yourself, every process you can control it and control the cost and control the quality and also control your customers.
Delivery time.
Delivery time. Great. Yeah, very powerful factory. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. And thank you for your detailed introduction, Lisa. Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you for
is there anything you want to tell us or?
Contact me if you have any questions or inquiries for this product.
Any customer, if you want to have any requests and inquiry, please contact Lisa. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.